Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add pricing tables to cart. This is a great way to showcase different subscription tiers or service packages on your website in a clean, organized format. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to cart.co. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your cart dashboard where you can manage all your sites. In the upper right panel, you'll see a button that says Plus New Site. Click on that, then navigate to Blank Page and click Select. This gives you a clean canvas to work with for creating your pricing table from scratch. Now, in the upper right corner of the editor, you'll notice a plus button. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Table. This inserts a basic table structure into your page, which will customize to display your pricing information. On the left panel, you'll see a section labeled Headings. This is where you'll define the column headers for your pricing table. Click on each heading one by one and edit them to reflect your pricing tiers. For example, you might type Plan, Basic, Standard, and Premium. These labels help visitors quickly identify the different options you're offering. Next, navigate down to the Rows section. Here you'll add the actual pricing details. In the first row, type price in the first cell, then add $10/month, $20/month, and $30/month in the corresponding cells. This clearly displays the cost for each tier. For the second row, repeat the same process, but this time type users in the first cell, followed by 1 user up to 5 users and unlimited users in the remaining cells. This helps potential customers understand what they're getting at each price point. If you need to remove any headings or rows, you can easily delete them as you work. Now, let's fine-tune the appearance. In the upper left, click the Appearance button, then navigate to the Table tab. Here you can adjust the width of your table using the slider. This ensures your pricing table fits perfectly within your page layout and looks balanced. Next, click on the Headings tab. This is where you can customize the look of your column headers. Change the font color by clicking the color picker and adjusting it to match your brand. You can also change the font itself by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting your preferred typeface. To further refine the look, use the sliders to adjust the size, weight, line spacing, and letter spacing of your heading text. These small tweaks can make a big difference in readability and overall visual appeal. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Done. You've now created a professional-looking pricing table on your cart site that clearly presents your offerings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.